It's time to analyze the Bitcoin price. Last week ended very tough, but we here on our channel are very optimistic. So let's see, where is the Bitcoin price heading? Frankly talking, it seems as if the Bitcoin price is waiting for someone else in different markets to take action before it decides to really break all-time high. Still, it started to move upwards again, and that's a good thing. But who is Bitcoin waiting for? Maybe the stock market. Remember I told you that the S&P 500 seems very fragile? Here is why the S&P 500 situation is maybe the biggest fraud out there. Actually, that's a scenario that even the crypto market can offer. Well, it seems that things are still very shaky and the crypto market is always the first to react. So where are we heading? If we look at the daily chart, it seems as if the Bitcoin price was drained. There was not much place to go down anymore. It was really oversold. So now we are starting to correct upward. And yet I have to say that it doesn't seem like a strong move to the upside, more of a correction. Remember, we need to see the Bitcoin price breaks the all-time high to really get a confirmation for this bull run. And when we look at the weekly chart, things look a bit ambivalent. On one hand, it seems that the price could correct upward and even create this W shape that we are so waiting for. On the other hand, neither the MACD or the RSI seem to really start making a U-turn upwards. In other words, it means that maybe for the next few days and weeks, we will see corrections that will make us continue being optimistic, but it doesn't mean that really the downtrend or the down movement are over. And yet, I think that we are right now on the same benchmark we were in the beginning of this summer. I told you, nothing will happen before the end of August. If it will only begin on September. But I want to say another thing, another important. As you, I wish that the Bitcoin price will break and soar above the all-time high. Although I don't see it happen so fast. There needs to be a fundamental, a strong reason. And a strong reason like that could be either Trump winning the elections or something more optimistic than dramatic that we see all over the world, you name it. And these facts could all change. As much as optimistic we want to be, all the good stuff that could happen and all the good movements to the upside that could happen could easily crash if the stock market in the US, the American stock market, will crash. That could be due to some action by Jerome Powell. Because if the stock market crash as same as it did in 2007, and once the stock market crash, the Bitcoin will go with it. But I truly believe that the first market to soar back up is the crypto market, led by Bitcoin.